Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's learn daily sentences. मला आवाजाची सवय झाली. I got used to noise. I got used to noise. तुमच्या दोघांपैकी कोणीही जाऊ शकतो. Either of you can go. Either of you can go. जास्त न बोलणं तुझ्यासाठी चांगलं राहील. You had better not speak much. You had better not speak much. यश कसंही करून तिथे पोहोचेल. यश will get there somehow. यश will get there somehow. तुला तुझी पर्स सापडली का? Did you find your purse? Did you find your purse? उन्हात जाऊ नको. Don't go out in the sun. Don't go out in the sun. जेवढं द्यायचं तेवढं दे. Give whatever you want to give. Give whatever you want to give. त्याचा दुरुपयोग करू नको. Don't misuse it. Don't misuse it. तो त्याच्या पप्पांवर गेला आहे. He is quite his father's type. He is quite his father's type. मी हे कोणाला विचारू? Whom do I ask this? Whom do I ask this? तू कोणाकोणाला आमंत्रण पाठविले आहे? For whom all have you sent the invitation? For whom all have you sent the invitation? तुझे हात चिकट आहेत का? Are your hands clammy? Are your hands clammy? त्याला प्रोत्साहित करण्यासाठी मी त्याच्या खांद्यावर थोपटले. I patted on shoulder in order to encourage him. I patted on shoulder in order to encourage him. अजून ती रूम साफ करणे बाकी आहे. There is left to be cleaned that room. There is left to be cleaned that room. Goodbye friends.